Hello and welcome to beautiful Laguna Niguel, California, where we're at our next full home and full exterior remodel. So my name is Sabrina Phillips. I'm an ASID interior designer and general contractor, and I own the company Designing Women of Orange County. And I'm very excited to show you this because not only do we get to do the inside completely, but we actually also get to do the outside and completely redo it. So why don't we show them what this outside looks like now. And we'll drop some photos in here to this video to show you what the plan is for the exterior to look like when we're all finished. So here on the other side of our company van, you'll see there's a small retaining wall over there. We're putting stack stone over there to help give the home a little bit more character and bring it up to date. We've got all this landscaping in between that's going to be changing over here by the tree. And then as we come on up the sidewalk, which is a really nice winding sidewalk, and we are changing the texture and feeling of this as well with some laid over rock. This is actually going to move back. It's a very large, oddly shaped containing wall, and I believe we're going to be moving it back here. Again, this is still in the works a little bit, and we're going to actually be finishing up some of the final details of that today. So this is going to be cut back way back here. This all will become a stacked stone veneered front to this. Over here, we're going to remove this wall completely. This is going to get a post that's going to be stacked stone down below. So a nice little pillar stacked stone there. And all of this is coming out, including the height of this step right here. Because we're going to be dropping down the entry, and you'll see here when we go inside, we're going to drop that entry down because right now you walk in level and then you step down into the living room or the dining room, and she wanted that out of the home that way. So this step is going to come out to facilitate what we need to do inside. And this is going to become a patioed area right over here. So this is her actually childhood home, and that they're remodeling and going to move into. And she really doesn't want it to feel like her childhood home. She's wanting us to declutter it basically from the feeling of her living back in her childhood home, which we can completely understand. And it will look and feel so completely different when she comes back in here. So why don't we take a look at what we're going to do inside. And so here we are at the front doors, the entry to the home. And I know this is going to be upsetting to a few of you, but we're actually going to change the color and the doors altogether. So the lime green, I don't know, it makes a statement. It's just not the one we want. So we are going to change this out actually to a single 36 wide door and two side lights on each side. And this is that step in that I was telling you about, that as we remove the step outside and this one here, you'll still enter on the same level. But what you won't do when you come in now is you won't have to step down into the dining room or down into this living room. It'll all be one level. They are almost of retirement age, so it's a really great idea to keep everything on the same level if you can. This is a one-story home, so that's a great idea. So here we are in the living room, and one of the things that we'll be doing for them is completely remodeling the fireplace area. We're removing and replacing all of the flooring throughout with a beautiful luxury vinyl plank flooring. And in here we will keep the crown that's in here and also add some can lighting in here because there's no lighting in here whatsoever. The very exciting thing that we're doing with this home, one of the very exciting things, is you see all these walls here. You're going to see all of them here through this video. They're all coming out. So right here is the kitchen, right? So this kitchen is going to widen out. It's going to come this way here and all the way over to here. Then we're going to put a door to the outside to go out to the jacuzzi and nice little family area there, nice place to relax. But all of these walls are coming out. And I'll take and walk you through the dining room, which is on the other side of these walls, and I'll show you exactly what's going to happen. So let's take a look at that. So here we are in the dining room. Let's start with the elephant in the room here. Somebody came along and stuccoed this like so roughly that you could truly get hurt if you touched it. So one of the things that will happen is all of this drywall is going to come out. We're going to retexture actually the whole house. But you'll see here the rafters and the vaulting, and these are faux rafters. We're going to wrap those and stain these because we're actually going to carry this pitch, this vault, all the way into the kitchen, which is really going to open this kitchen up. And so when we get a chance here, we're going to take a further back view of all of these walls I'm telling you are going to be removed, and you'll really see what we're talking about. Another thing that we're going to do though here in this dining room is we're going to bring a wall over here, about a foot over here, and then we're going to put in an 11-foot wide 3-panel slider over here. That is really going to open up the outdoors, and there's a beautiful view for these clients here, but half of it's missing because that door is set so far over there, and we could actually utilize another 3 feet of space over here and open up that outside, bring the outside in. And so if we take a look though at these walls right here, all of this is coming out. And that is really going to open up this kitchen for us to be able to put in a 5-foot by 10-foot long island here. It's going to be gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. So obviously, cabinet stops here. We don't have this little peninsula sticking out, but our island will start about right here. They've got plenty of space, 48 inches or so between here and here. Same thing to the back, and then 10 feet long that goes into the kind of the living room area. But it will open it up so nicely because it'll seat 7 people. Yeah. So 5 chairs on this side and 2 at the end facing out. It is going to be beautiful. And then if you can imagine, the ceiling is going to be vaulted, so it's going to be feeling very spacious and open. And we'll match those beams that are in that dining room up here in the kitchen as well. And also add more lighting. Well, add lighting because there's not any. So not any in here anyway. So anyway, but yeah, let's take a look down the hallways and into the master bedroom and other ancillary bedrooms, and I'll show you what we're going to do there. So here we are getting ready to go towards the back where the bedrooms and the bathrooms are. But one of the things you'll notice is this ceiling actually drops down. This is like a 7-foot ceiling versus an 8-foot ceiling. So it makes it feel really dark and low. Short. So that's going up. So are both of the bathrooms. I'm going to show you this first bathroom here. Again, about a 7-foot ceiling here that we're going to take out and push up. Basically, the only thing we're actually replacing in this room, other than the flooring, all the doors are getting replaced throughout to update. All the handles are going to get replaced. But in here and in the master, it's going to be the vanities and the countertops. And then, of course, the mirrored areas and accent lights. We're going to add a vent light in here. We're going to also give them a shower can light. But in this home, we're actually not doing the showers right now. We're going to wait on that, and I guess maybe they might do that at another time possibly. So, but anyway, so let's take another look on into the other rooms. So here we are in one of the extra bedrooms, and one of the things that we'll be doing in here, pretty straightforward. We're actually, in this room, we're actually going to widen this closet all the way out. We have space in the garage, which is right behind this wall. So we're widening this out. We'll put closet systems in. You may have seen them before in our other videos. They're really great. And then new closet doors across this entire wall here. We're doing this as well for one of the other bedrooms that we didn't show you, but it's just kind of dark because there's no lighting here. And that's going to change too. So, but let's take a look at the master bedroom. So here we are in the master bedroom, and this one's getting a special treat because we're actually taking this ceiling up and we're going to vault it like we are doing in the kitchen. It'll match the kitchen and the dining room and make this room feel so much more large and spacious. We're going to add in the 4 cans in here as well as a new fan light combo. And then, like I said, these walls, I don't know if you can see these or not, but they're textured in a really funky way. So we're retexturing the whole house. And then we are putting in a new closet system here and new closet doors here for this client. So let's take a look though at her bathroom area, where we're going to take this and we're going to put in a pocket door right here for her, so that she doesn't have to swing in, because the bathroom feels kind of small, and strangely it is the same size as the other bathroom we were just in. So master bathroom, you can see the issues here. It's dark. There's a door right behind us here on the back side of where we're filming that's covering up a window that would let a lot of light in if it wasn't there. Well, it won't be there because we're going to create that pocket door like I just said. We're also going to give a vent light right here above the toilet. The ceiling is coming up again. This is a 7-foot ceiling, so we're going to take it up to the normal 8 feet, again making it feel more spacious in here. We'll also give them a 4-inch can light right here above the shower. Again, they're not going to replace this right now. It's in great shape. Maybe sometime later they might do something with it, but not right now. And then just like the other bathroom, we're going to replace this vanity and the vanity top. We're actually going to put in 2 sinks in here because it is husband-wife. So this will become a 2-sink vanity versus a 1. And then new mirrors, accent lights, different things like that. So we're very, very excited about getting the inside of this done. But let me take you to the backyard where we're going to do some exterior change-ups out there. All right. So here we are in the backyard. It is very serene. It's beautiful. There's a beautiful view back here behind me that you cannot really see really well. So we're actually going to be doing some landscaping here, as well as some hardscaping. This is going to become like an overlaid rock look, fieldstone, maybe something like that out here. And then a lot of this is actually going to go away so that they can actually see their view. So, but it's so serene out here with the birds chirping away and having a fun day, and we're going to make it even more serene for them. And as we take a look around from maybe left to right here, you'll see how beautiful this really is back here, and you'll get an idea then too of what it's going to look like when we're done. So you can see that before and after. And over here, we're just going to actually match the floor style in this step down over here, and create something off of the master bedroom. So that's what that area is coming off of right there. A beautiful view over here. Beautiful view. We should grab that before we finish up. So again, I would just want to say thank you so much for watching. We hope you follow our tour as we're going through this entire project. This will probably take us about 2.5 months to complete, actually. So we're really excited for the client because they would like to kind of move in as soon as possible. And anyway, but yeah, if you want, just hit share, like, follow us for any tips, trends, or tricks on interior design and remodeling that might help you or a friend of yours. And we really appreciate your follows. So just give us a call if you do have any questions about a remodel that you would like to have done on your own home at 949-371-9075. Again, Sabrina Phillips here with Designing Women of Orange County. Thanks for watching.